town. Cottonon operates multiple stores at Harbour Town's premium outlets in Figaro Waters, Gold Coast, offering a variety of fashion and lifestyle products. IT hosts several clearance and major sales events throughout the year, both online and in-store. Key sale every year. Australia Day sale, January 26th up to 30% off on Aussie-inspired fashion. Valentine's Day sale, February 14th special deals up to 20%. Cottonon's birthday sale, March 13th, anniversary discount up to 30% off site. Mid-season sale, April 1st to 30th up to 50% off a wide assortment of styles. Afterpay Day sales, March, August twice a year. Retailers that use Afterpay opt into Afterpay. A sale event that sees your favorite brands and items discounted. Cottonon's online clearance section features ongoing deals such as tops, 2 for $30, undies, 5 for $40, graphic tees, buy one, get one 50% off, activewear, 2 for $40. A wide range of stylish apparel for men, women, and children at accessible price points. Their collections are frequently